guys, we're stopping by Baby Shop. We need a car seat. Need one. Initially we were thinking of buying one for Araya. Now we're thinking of just buying one, a bigger one for Kairo and give Araya Kairo's car seat. But let's go and see. Oh, sorry, it's expensive. Do not go far. 250, that's not it. You see price for all of these? We need somebody who work in here to assist. Come, Kairo. Follow mommy. Come. Come, Papa. You're the one getting the car seat. You're gonna give your sister yours.
Well, this look like it, baby, but I don't see they have the price.
The price. Then actually, if I same color, you know, you should tell them black.
Let me tell them yes, man.
But suppose they have black. This is grey.
This is good.
Yeah. I would say that's grey. This is black.
Black and it's probably price.
So car seat. Stop procrastinating and just bought it.
Come on,
expensive,
guys,
but
and see one here.
the kids need it. Yeah. Daddy say you're gonna walk and see what you're not gonna get. The rain is gonna fall outside. It's so dark.
Optimus Prime. Are you here to destroy us?
Oh God. How much is that?
Yeah, $21.
Oh, so you wear that and that. Okay.
The road. All right.
Oh God. Ever play with things you don't take home.
Come, Carol.
Kairo, what did you say? What did you say a while ago to Daddy? Come on, Raya. No, about this, about the $7. It's not a lot of dollars.
Oh my God! Wow!
Yes.
What? Look, this is...
Hold on to the horse. Hold on.
Look, Mommy. Look. This is Mario. Oh my gosh. This is Mario.
So guys, we are waiting on the car seat. We need a brand new one from the
I
back.
don't know what it is.
So in the interim, the kids are eye shopping.
Oh my.
We just got the car seat. You know where's my one? My one elastics are right here. Yeah, but we can get that after. But my one elastics are right here. It's in the car, in the trunk. That is gonna fix it up tomorrow. Yay! So what we did, guys, we changed our minds. We got a car seat for Kairo instead. So Arai's gonna be in Kairo's car seat. So next time that you see us, Arai's car seat should be faced forward. Don't Leo? So instead of Araya looking there, she'll be looking at Daddy's neck back. I just got me guys. I'm gonna try this out. Curly gel souffle. Hopefully, I'm praying that it doesn't let my hair crunchy. So I bought this. I'm gonna try this out. It's love at first wash. So with aloe. So I'm gonna try this next time I wash my hair. Guys, when they come with me, I can't spend $30. I'm telling you, no come. Jesus, God bless it. Awesome. Husband need to come with me when I never had a hair place, guys. A beauty supply store, or else I'm not gonna spend a little bit too much.
The next day.
Walking. This is nice. That's the next aisle. Alright, so these are some of the parts. So the cost, Emilio? $170, $170 hard. One pot of $89. All you see there? The circle on. See there? It's like $89 for the good brand they have. I don't think it's that small because this is too big. It should be that small. I think so. Let's check. Let's check on it. The lifetime part, you know, that means anywhere we are going, it's circle gonna come with it. Alright guys, let me set it up. We're looking for pots. When we went to Rum Point, we realized that Circle-On was a great brand. Guys, I can tell you that the Circle-On is the best. That pot, if anybody can give me a Circle-On pot, the purple one, go ahead. Long lasting pot. I first used it when I went to Rum Point, and guys, I can tell you the best pot them ever use in a stick. It's just perfect, guys. Guys, we have a pot from Jamaica, all thanks to Leo Fred. We have that pot from, I would say, from 2012, and it's 2024 now, people. Old Dutchy, real Dutch pots. We don't leave a pot, we travel with a pot, right? But you know, we've bought a couple pots over the years. We were even gifted with pots for our wedding anniversary, and you know, the pot them scratch up and all, so it's time for new pots, right? We're gonna go home, alright? So guys, we found a pot and we're gonna buy it. Mirror, some pots rather, more than one, 10 pieces they claim. Alright.
Wait, I see him. Oh, I didn't put it.
So I'm going to cook up some rice and peas and turn it down and I'm going to pot them. Alright? We needed some pots, guys. Most of them are the good pots, you know, $355, it's about 400 USD for some pots. You know? You know, side of them are the good pot them. And look at purple. Look there. That's what I love. Old card, that's why it's making noise.
Our card.
Making lots of noise today. Yo, we can't change the card. But the one foot. It just like a run and run. I pray not to fall. So guys, if you hear something in the background, you have to spin run and run. It seems like one foot of the cart won't take off. It's very annoying. Yes, guys. So the usual. Ooh, one of these, you know. They're so comfy. Ooh. What is this? The skin cleanser. Did I buy the skin cleanser? They're so expensive, but it's the only soap that works on the kids. Because that's sensitive skin. Let me see what's this. You know, I want this is my wig. They're not as expensive, aren't they? They're not that expensive. The next time, by the time I get my wig. Big dancer, guys. So yes, guys, the supermarket is very huge and seems as if for some reason nobody much is in here. Ilya, the supermarket no seem empty at you. It seems like very empty, surprisingly. And there was a lot of vehicles outside, so we thought that people would be in the supermarket. Don't. When I can't complain so no cold today. I ensure me put on the jacket, guys.
My feet.
Then no bad, you know, guys. But tell you also we need a Cayman shirt. We've been here 5 years now. We need to get something to say, yeah, this is what we got from Cayman.
Count ready for 16, Brian. Please count ready for 16.
B, you can look on this now. The black me like. We can buy one and share too. We can buy two. I will all the medium I see.
Jessie, please count
The medium in other colors, but I didn't like the black. Oh, babe gone. Olivia switching trolley. Hey, babe? What do you think? We can't get one on milk. Yeah, we need this. Yes. I swear we have one left. Is that done? Swear. There's a fine number to wear finish. Swear. What about this day? Cayman Island. The medium layer, you don't need small things, Frankie. You need big, comfy things. But think the medium can still work.
Probably.
Okay. Remember, you know, if I 20 or 60, I'm the hook. Stop the salt one.
Oh my
So
god.
home. I will leave this Cayman tonight. So we're trying this again, guys. A long time now. It's here, you know. But we can't find the Soul Dancer. Let me tell you, once upon a time, me used to love St. Mary. Love it. But to me, St. Mary is a little bit too oily now. So I don't really fancy it. And I'm from St. Mary, so big up St. Mary banana chips. Apart from chippies, this was the one that I loved growing up. So the kids are going to get a taste of it. Yeah. I would like it. Cooked potato chips. Probably if it wasn't potato, I would probably try it. Like plantain. I don't know. They say it's avocado oil and it's kettle cooked.
What? You are hungry? Okay.
She just, you know, alright, didn't she just ate in the car and drank juice? You're hungry already. Like 5 minutes ago that was.
Mama, what that cheese is?
The cheese is gonna dirt up your clothes and your hands. Okay?
You don't want that one?
Alright, that's another snack for the kids. This is Kool-Aid like Capri Sun juice? It's the first time I'm seeing that. That's weird. Don't. I wonder if it tastes like Capri Sun. It's $1 cheaper, babe. Comment down below. Let me know, guys, if you have ever tried this before. Wait, it's called Kool-Aid Jammers Leo. 40 pouch. Have you guys ever tried this before? Something new? Probably if you look on the ingredients and they might see them. Okay. And a friend made it. Wow. As I be looking at the bill, because I can believe this is the first part of the bill. And usually there's although it's much less, probably 280 and now 300. I want to buy extra, so maybe say one donuts, so I'm gonna get 2. Again, the strawberries are on sale. I only buy strawberries when they're on sale. So I think I should buy some people. Kairo said that strawberries are his favorite fruit. And he's so smart, so I think I'm gonna get a couple for him. Once a month, guys. Get some nice food.
I got donuts.
Strawberries when you go home, right?
I got donuts.
This is soon, right? All this.
Then I do what?
Everything. Everything, Daddy? You're eating donut. Oh, girl, you can't be biting my finger. Alright. It's okay. You just have to be careful, right? Alright. Thank you, girl. Let's see what they have. Pumpkin cubes. I cut up a pumpkin for you. Alright. You soon come. I soon come. Stay. Do you buy this type of pear? Since the last time it wasn't nasty. You give up on pear. You give up on the pear then. Not child. Soon. We give up on the plant them too? We give up on the plant them too? But look here. This I want that it look like you get ready in the next 2 days. Not tomorrow. 2 days.
That's what I'm worried about tomorrow.
Okay. This look like good plant, Leo. And it look like that's this. Them feel like local plants. It's an organic.
I need to put for my banana bear and
Leo carrot voiceover for it.
mommy put it
Man, every Sunday.
and mommy got buy strawberries already. Donuts and apples, grapes. And apples too.
You want piece of donuts?
Pizza donut?
You want piece of donuts?
Yes.
Alright.
And pizza donut.
Leo, Kairo think that dragging out his words, that's speaking patois.
No, I didn't do that.
Speak patois.
Don't donut.
You hear Leo? Oh, donut. You think someone telling track out your words, they must speak patois. Yeah.
I speak
Say strawberry in patois.
strawberry.
Here, strawberry. Say, get into in patois.
Plantain and patois.
Yeah.
Plantain.
You hear Leo? Plantain. That's what Kairo thinks, so you talk patois. You track out the words and pat on that. Alright. But on boneless sawfish to cook fritters and mac and sawfish.
Yeah, bomb fishes.
Alright, more donuts?
Please.
Alright. Wait. There you go. Donuts all done now, okay? There you go. And it's cereal. How much is cereal be? $15.39. We get all of the pork. Stew pork and the pig's tail. All of the pork there. Look at those pork. Pig's tail and stew pork. Didn't take up any corn. So good.
I like the pink one. I like the pink one.
Need to take up Achille. Where Achille? The last one we buy was good. And it was soft all throughout. Was it spur tree? Yeah. I remember. I take a walk here, I remember a wabrat. But I really liked it because it was soft all throughout. Sometimes the accident toffee. Alright, that's a cup. Spur tree. Alright, so 99 Leo. A baby is smart, you know. What you know about 99, alright? You know your numbers? You're a smart girl. Only a minute to go pick cheese. Yeah. We go back to the cheese. Alright, so is that 99? Makes sense to me.
No problem. Which is what this is?
This one is sweet potato, $4.79. $4.79. That's sweet potato you want?
Yeah, I mean, that's supposed to.
No sir. But it's a 300 or it's a 230. Not bad. Probably why that 300? Not bad. Why you buy one apple? One apple you buy? One with the steak. Talk about the 300.